Hello, Netta Talmor here from No Hassle website and all things No Hassle. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the preview image and description that shows when you share your website or a certain page you made in Facebook. Okay, so sometimes you worked on a beautiful page, or you have a landing page or a sales page, or just sharing your new website, and you paste the link to your website in WordPress in a comment or in your post. And when you click, it shows a preview, but it's not what you want. It's not the image that you want or the description that you want. So there's a way to fix it. Let me show you how you do it. Okay. First of all, you need to go to your WordPress website in the back end to the dashboard. And you're going to add a plugin called Yoast SEO. Okay, Yoast SEO. So this is already installed on this website, so I'm not going to install it, but just go to plugins, add new, search for Yoast SEO, and you will find it and install it. Once you have it, you're going to see this on the side of your dashboard. Okay, so that's what you want to see. But to make these changes that we talked about, we need to go to the specific page that you're sharing. So let's say you're sharing the homepage of your website. Okay, so in this case, just for this example, this is the homepage. And I'm not going to go into Facebook and show you exactly what it shows, but I do want to take you to the place where you fix it. So what you need to do is go to the page. Sorry. This is the address. Just a second. I know it looks all messy, but this is it. It's developers.facebook.com/tools/debug/sharing. Okay. This is the link you need to go to. developers.facebook.com/tools/debug/sharing. And then if we paste here the link that I just took, the homepage, and I click debug for the first time, it's going to show me that this is what is shared. So if I were to share now on Facebook, this is what I would see, okay? It would say home, no hassle website demo 5, and all of these things that I don't really want it to say, okay? So now we're going to go back to the website. Okay, this is the page we shared. And we're going to go and edit that home page because that's the link that we want. So I'm going to go to all pages. I'm going to search for my home page. Here it is. And I'm going to click edit to edit it in the back end. Okay. I want to see all the details. That's where we're going to see the Yoast SEO area that we can make some changes there. So it doesn't matter if you have Divi like I do, which is the theme and page builder, or you're using the regular builder in WordPress or another theme. It doesn't matter. If you installed Yoast SEO, you should be able to scroll down and find it. Just a second, it's loading. Okay, so you want to get to this area. You see Yoast SEO. And you want to click on this icon for sharing. Just a second. And this is where you can edit everything. You see, there's one for Facebook and one for Twitter. Most people need the Facebook one. So this is where you can say exactly what you want. So instead of, remember it said here, home, no hassle website, demo 5. So we can say whatever we want. So let's just say this is a test text to see if it works. And here I'm going to say, this is the description area. Of course, you will write what you actually want to say. The Facebook image area is very important. They recommend this size of image, but just for illustration purposes, I will randomly choose this image, okay? Just so we have something here. Once you have the title, description, and image, you want to make sure you're going to save the page. So you click update. Now you can go to the debugger, and this is when you really need to use it. I first put it here just for you to see what's showing now, but once you put it and you go to once you make the changes on your website and you go to this page, this is where when you need to paste your link and click debug, and let's see if it changes. It doesn't change. It's telling me that this is still what it's showing. So this is the tip. You're going to click here on scrape again. You want to scrape this again until it finds the changes that you made. Let's click again. Oops, here it is. It was able to visit the website again. It grabbed the new information. And as you can see, it now says exactly what we said. This is a text to see if it works. This is the description area. And this is the image that we put. So from now on, until we make any other changes, whenever we share this link on Facebook, it will show this image and this description. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It's a great tip, and you can use it also to write things that are not necessarily already on your page, right? But you want people to see when it's shared, or a specific image that is not currently on the page you're sharing, but you want people to see it when you're sharing the link. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any other questions or need any more information. Bye-bye. Ciao.